Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. It's London and this is Matea. 对，我是伦敦姐。大家好。We're gonna share with you
how to make banana muffin.
Yes, banana muffin.
We have ripe bananas here.
We don't want to waste them, so we decided to make banana muffin.
Yeah.
Yes, and
Look at this.
Here we have a muffin pan, and Matea already laid out all the papers, and it's ready to go. And also I have 1 cup of walnut. I'm preheating my oven to 350. When it's ready, I'm gonna
squishy.
Yes, I'm gonna put the walnut into the oven to toast it a little bit, so that we can put them in the muffin. 我现在已经把核桃放在那里了，然后我们的烤炉要预热到350度。预热好之后，我会把核桃放在里面烤大概5分钟的样子。这样我们可以把这个核桃放在我们的 banana muffin。
I want to squish them together.
Wait. 我把它放进去之后，你就可以 squish。Okay, now.
We can squish them.
Yeah. All our bananas are in our bowl. Now we can smash them. Smash them, yes. And Matea gonna do this work for us. Yes, that's fun, isn't it? And you can use you can use a potato smasher, but today we're gonna just use the fork. It does the same thing. Smash. 现在就把它给弄黏，把这个香蕉这样压黏就好了。因为这个香蕉已经很熟，所以很容易就把它压黏。哇
So squishy.
Yes.
It's really squishy.
It's really squishy. Yes.
Now my oven's ready. I'm gonna pop my walnuts into the oven to toast it probably 5 minutes.
Okay, now we're gonna pour in our egg. Here. Ready? Woo! Mix. Okay. And
Here
then
goes.
yeah, and then we're gonna pour in the butter, please. Yes. Thank you. Good job.
Wow! It's all dried up.
And then our sugar.
Wow!
Mix. And then vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon. All right. 1 teaspoon. Sorry. So much fun.
Yeah!
So this is a great recipe to make with your kids and to have
I don't
fun at the
want.
kitchen. Okay.
I don't want you to mix.
All
I want
right.
you to mix.
Yeah, you can mix it.
And
And
you
then-
ingredients. And
Yeah?
I mix.
Okay. I'm just gonna combine the flour and the
Small,
and the baking powder.
small.
No, we have to swift it. Okay, with all the flour, the powder ingredients, dry ingredients, and we're gonna put some cinnamon. Maybe just half teaspoon.
It's ready.
Yes. So now I'm just gonna use the Swiffer and swift our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Woohoo!
It looks like rain.
Yeah, looks like snow.
Snow falling down, snow falling down.
Okay, 好了。
Mix them up?
Yes.
Why? It's
Mix,
too hot.
mix, 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 mix.
Mix. It's too hot to mix.
Yeah, a little bit, right?
Wow, it mixed up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you want Mama to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me mix it.
I need it. They're hot.
A little bit. It's getting hotter, right?
Yeah.
But that's it. Just
Mix
some well.
some well.
You don't want to see the dry ingredients. Okay, here. Okay, now you can scoop a muffin into the muffin pan.
This looks fun.
This looks fun, yes. Here, put into the muffin pan.
Me. Wow. Help me.
Yeah, we can have a little bit more.
How about you and I?
Okay, I scoop out and then you help me. Smells so good.
Me too.
Smells amazing already. Another one.
Good.
Oh my god, I can't wait to eat it. And then I've totally forgot to put in the walnuts. So I'm just gonna chop them and put on the top of the muffin. That would work fine, I guess. So don't get too excited. 我们的核桃，本来是要放在里面的，搅在里面的。那这样的话，我们就把它放在上面就好了。这样应该也是蛮好吃的。噔噔噔 ，Do you want to put? You want to put the muffin on it?
I'm busy right now.
You're
I'm
busy.
gonna eat it.
You're busy eating. All right. Dun, dun, dun. And you can use any, you can use pecan, and you can even use chocolate chips.
It's
if
like
you-
Mom.
That's raw, Bobby. Okay, we're ready to pop this into the 350 100 Fahrenheit oven to about 20 minutes or so until the edge of the muffin is solid enough and the center of the muffin is still like a little bit soft. Okay, so our banana muffin is just out of the oven. It's still hot. Yeah, I know, it's still hot. 很热很热，对不对？ let's choose one to taste it, okay? Yeah? Do you want to choose one? So you pick one.
This.
This one?
No,
Okay.
it's too big.
Is it too big?
This.
Okay.
Smaller.
Okay, let's choose this one. And then we are gonna taste it.
Mama,
Yes.
do you want to taste it?
Yes.
I don't want to cut it.
You don't want to cut?
No.
Okay. but it's hot, okay?
Okay. Oh, I need this. I need this.
Okay, try it.
It's still hot. Maybe I should pray a little bit. Touch it.
It's really, really, really good. Tastes amazing.
So,
Yeah.
so the ingredients we make to bake the muffins, now we can eat it.
Yeah. So I let them stay in the oven for 20 minutes, and it came out didn't ready, so wasn't ready. So I just put them back in for another 15 minutes. So I total use 35 minutes and at 350 Fahrenheit. It depends on your oven. So just use 350 Fahrenheit and go from 20 minutes, and when it come out of the oven, you can use a toothpaste and insert in the center of the muffin, and if it come out clean, it says it means ready. So
it's way hot. You don't need to touch it because it's very yummy.
So I bake it. The edge is golden brown, and the center is still soft. You want that texture.
Wow, what's this?
It's golden brown edge.
Oh.
很好吃，对不对，宝贝？
好吃。
我烤了20分钟，但是拿出来之后，我用牙签放到中间，然后看了一下，里面还没有好，因为出来那个牙签还有那个湿的液体出来，所以我把它放进去烤了另外15分钟，所以我一共用了35分钟。每个人的烤炉不一样，你只要用350度，然后先从20分钟开始烤，然后拿出来之后你测试一下，如果还没有牙签出来，就是牙签出来的时候不是干净的，你就要再放进去。再烤10分钟，或者再烤5分钟，然后再拿出来测试一下，不要烤过头。这个很好吃，然后旁边是这个马芬的旁边的边是有一点硬硬的，有一点焦黄色的，然后中间还是软软的，这就是你想要的这种软硬程度。And I hope you will try our recipe. And if you like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, please. I will see you next time.
And you don't forget to pick a candy.
Aww. We have candy.